Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how much you really remember from physics class? We all know the name Isaac Newton, the genius who gave us the laws of motion and universal gravitation. But can you recall the actual formulas that changed the world? Today we're putting your knowledge to the test with a fun and fast-paced Newton formula quiz. Don't worry, you don't need a PhD for this, just a curious mind. Ready to see if you're a physics whiz? Let's get started. First question, let's start with the big one. What is the formula for Newton's second law of motion? I'll give you a moment to think. This one links force, mass, and acceleration. Got it? The answer is F Chardier Ma. That is, force equals mass times acceleration. This simple but powerful equation is the cornerstone of classical mechanics. If you got that right, give yourself a pat on the back. All right, moving on to question number 2. Let's talk about gravity. What is the formula for Newton's law of universal gravitation? This one describes the attractive force between any two objects with mass. It's a bit longer, so take your time. Ready for the reveal? The formula is F docker G times m1 m dot r squared. Here, F is the gravitational force, G is the gravitational constant, m1 and m2 are the masses of the two objects, and r is the distance between their centers. This formula is literally out of this world. Time for our final question. This one is a little trickier and combines a few concepts. In a scenario with no air resistance, if you drop an object, which formula, derived from Newton's laws, would you use to calculate its velocity after a certain amount of time? Think about acceleration due to gravity. The answer is v where u plus at. In this case, v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, which would be 0 if dropped. A is the acceleration due to gravity, and t is the time. So, how did you do? Did you get all 3 correct? Let me know your score in the comments below. Whether you're a physics pro or just learning, the important thing is to stay curious. These formulas aren't just letters and numbers. They're the language our universe is written in. Thanks so much for joining me today for this quick quiz. If you had fun and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our next video. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.